The Bible has long been regarded as the ultimate source of wisdom and guidance for Christians. Within its pages lie countless teachings and valuable lessons that have the power to transform lives. One verse that holds a particularly profound message is 2 Timothy 2 verse 15, which speaks of the importance of diligent study and its ability to empower believers. In this article, we will delve into the essence of this verse and explore how it can nurture and strengthen Christians in their faith. Understanding the power of 2 Timothy 2 verse 15, nurturing Christians through devoted studying. 2 Timothy 2 verse 15 states, "Do your best to present yourself to God as one approved, a worker who does not need to be ashamed and who correctly handles the word of truth." It emphasizes the need for Christians to dedicate themselves to studying the Word of God diligently. By doing so, believers can deepen their understanding of God's teachings, grow in their faith, and effectively share the message of truth with others. Devoted studying allows Christians to gain a comprehensive grasp of the Scriptures, enabling them to discern truth from falsehood. It equips believers with the knowledge and wisdom needed to navigate life's challenges and make informed decisions in accordance with God's will. Moreover, diligent study enhances one's spiritual discernment, helping Christians to recognize false teachings and stay rooted in the truth. By immersing themselves in the Word of God, believers develop a solid foundation for their faith, building resilience and fortitude. Unlocking the spiritual strength, how biblical diligence empowers the faithful. Biblical diligence empowers Christians by providing them with spiritual strength and resilience. In a world filled with distractions and temptations, diligent study of the Bible acts as a shield, protecting believers from the snares of the enemy. It strengthens their relationship with God, deepens their understanding of His character, and unlocks the spiritual strength needed to endure trials and tribulations. Furthermore, diligent study of the Bible enables believers to effectively engage with others and share their faith. When Christians are well-versed in the Scriptures, they can articulate the message of salvation more accurately and persuasively. This empowers them to positively impact their communities, leading others to the truth and inspiring them to embark on their own spiritual journeys. Biblical diligence not only strengthens the individual believer but also has the potential to transform entire communities. In a world where the noise of the world often drowns out the voice of God, the essence of 2 Timothy 2 verse 15 provides a powerful reminder of the importance of diligent study. By nurturing Christians through devoted studying, this verse empowers believers to stand strong in their faith, navigate life's challenges, and impact the lives of others. Let us embrace the essence of this verse and commit ourselves to dive deeper into the Word of God, allowing it to transform us from the inside out. Please like and subscribe. For more content and full videos, visit our channel. Thank you.